Hey guys, it's Nick Paw today. Sorry I haven't been posting videos. It's really hard to think about videos for animals. So today's video will be about Cinnamon. And Cinnamon is not our dog. It is our friend's dog. Well, family friends, because I've known them for 8 years. And she is 15 and her sister is 21. So yeah. They just moved where I live. So now we have to babysit their dog because their dog got kicked out. So we've been having Cinnamon for 1 month right now because they didn't find the house yet. They just changed their lodge. So they haven't been finding a house. So we'll be keeping Cinnamon for that long. And you know, he's a Chihuahua, she's brown. And Chihuahuas only live for 15 years in human years. And Cinnamon is 11 in human years. So in dog years, it's 77. So he is basically 77 in their years. So yeah. So she's very old, so we can't really stress her out. So she lives in the hole upstairs. We open the door. She gets to go anywhere. She usually sleeps with us. So this is my setup, and she used to only live in my bedroom, but then now she lives everywhere. So she loves to like sit on you even though you don't ask her to. So first off, over here, she has her food bowl and her water bowl. And then she has her pad which she peed in. And I already have that channel, but I'm going to change the channel name. It used to be Ashley's Lovable Reviews. Now it's going to be Ashley's Lovable Crafts. And then I also have a channel, Ashley's Life 101. So please follow those. And this is my main channel, which is my pet channel because I love pets. So then she just has that huge towel. And then she has her cuddly, soft blanket, and on there she has her dream light, which we on every night. She has her stuffed animal to cuddle with, and a pillow, which she like bites up. And then she has her real cage, and inside of her cage she just has like memo pads and a blanket. Then she has her carrying cage, which holds her food and treats and her leash. So yeah, that is Cinnamon. So the dogs and her always fight, so that's why she lives upstairs. But she always cries, so the dogs always bark, and she is very skinny. So yeah, and I have so much craft supplies, and I'm organizing them, and I'm selling my Barbies. So yeah, Cinnamon just looks like this. 77. So you can't stress him out. I keep on saying him, but it's a her. Every time I see a pet, I call it him. So yeah, it's very cute, innocent eyes. So yeah, hope you guys please like this video. Comment down below what you want to see next, and please subscribe. Bye. Say bye, Cinnamon.